The more I dig deeper and deeper into the spirituality, the more I realized that the best thing you can do in your life right now, in this moment, is just trust the process. Because if you trust the process, if you trust the universe, you cannot be harmed. Let me explain. If something bad happens to you, that someone says something mean to you, or you get kicked out of a job, or nothing really works out in your life, realize that it's not happening to you. Realize that it's happening for you, for your benefit, because thanks to these bad things, now you can learn some kind of a lesson. Now you can learn more about yourself, and that's very powerful. Understand that everything happens for a reason, that the universe is guiding you towards becoming the best version of yourself. So even though you may experience some adversity on its way, realize that you are on the right path, and if you trust the process, nothing really can hurt you. Because you understand that the universe made this happen in order to, like I said, improve yourself, discover more about yourself, and so on. So for instance, 3 months ago I came here to the New Zealand. I wanted to find some kind of a job in hospitality so I can make some money and live in some kind of apartment. 3 months in New Zealand, and I didn't find any proper job. I went hotel to hotel, restaurant to restaurant, and I even handed out my CV to them so they can hire me in the future. But in 3 months, not a single response. So instead, I just applied for Uber Eats, and now I'm just a food delivery. And I'm sorry, I cannot even speak. Now I'm just delivering food on my e-scooter that I have bought. I don't make ton of money. In fact, I make like 40 New Zealand dollars, which is like not very much, to be honest. But at least it pays for my accommodation in hostel, which now I have single room. As I can see, I am recording this video in a hostel, but I ordinarily live in a small room with like 5 other people. So not the best lifestyle. I don't earn that much money, and I thought that it's gonna be easier to find job, and I thought that I'm gonna live like better lifestyle in New Zealand, but it's not what happened. And instead of I can be pissed about it, why didn't I get any job? But I just trust the process. I trust that in this moment I am in the best position that I could ever be. Because universe is guiding me through life towards my end goal, towards my goals, towards becoming better. So even though I don't live very luxurious lifestyle, at least I have some time to train. For example, MMA 2 times per week, and I'm gonna have my first MMA fight coming up in 4 months. So even though I don't live very luxurious lifestyle, I am striving towards a goal. Maybe universe didn't let me have proper job so I can have more time, so I can pursue fighting, so I can have more time, so I can discover more about yourself, so I can have more time to meditate. So ask yourself right now, if you are struggling at this moment in your life that nothing really works out for you, realize that this might be good for you. The universe made this exact circumstance to happen in order so you can learn valuable lesson from it. And if you have this exact mindset that everything happens for your benefit, how can you ever lose? Because even if you are in adversity, nothing can hurt you because of that little mindset. So try to change this mindset and be mindful about it. Keep in mind that everything happens for your benefit, that the universe is guiding you towards something greater. So don't complain about your circumstances and realize that this is the best thing that could ever happen to you. I'm grateful for you watching this video and see you soon in another one. Thank you for watching.